Hi, this is Ian Thompson with RE/MAX here on Vancouver Island. You know, you can come down some nice city streets and think these homes look the same. I'm sure they're all nice. Well, they are, but this one on Lark is super special. Let me tell you why. Inside it is immaculate, freshly painted, totally updated kitchen. Really mind-blowing. They've taken that wall out for the great room concept. Bathrooms all updated, heated tile floors, 2-bed suite. But the kicker is, it has a fully detached 400 square foot extra building with its own lane for accessing. Parking, so many options. Let's have a look inside. I talked about how nice this home is inside, and when you're here in the kitchen, you're gonna go, yeah, Ian, I think you're right. Beautiful large kitchen, stainless steel appliances, tile backsplash. It's got everything you're looking for in a main level home with gorgeous master bedroom, heated tile floors in the bathrooms. It's very nice. Here's the big bonus for this home on Lark Crescent. To run a home-based business in Nanaimo, you have to have off-street parking. While the lane access here gives you 1, 2, 3, 4 spots, a beautiful 425 square foot building already done. Now, if you don't want to run your business, it could be an Airbnb, grandpa and grandma, who knows? You could park a large RV right there. Okay, let's get our checklist. Remember in the beginning I said it was an amazing home in super condition? Well, it certainly has that. You've seen the inside. And how about that detached building? And don't forget the 2-bedroom suite for extra income. It's a great package. Call your agent today for a viewing on Lark Crescent.